Hi, welcome to another video of Danzzy Tech World. Today we'll be finding out how to be able to access videos and pictures you watch on your WhatsApp status. Before we go into today's video, I want to acknowledge those that have subscribed to this channel. I also want to welcome those that are new to this channel, and I encourage you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon so you get informed when videos are released. Let's get into today's video. Just a simple question for you to think about. Did you know that before you can view a video on your status, it has to be downloaded to the device? If no, that's a bonus for you to take home today. Now that we know it is saved on our phone, what should we do next? I will open WhatsApp, go to status and look for a video that I need before we continue. Okay, so let's say we want to save this video, so I have to wait for it to finish playing before we can continue. And it's done playing. Okay, now let's find where the videos are downloaded into. Open files, then go to media in the WhatsApp folder. So my WhatsApp folder is stored in SD card. WhatsApp, media. The folder we are looking for is .statuses, which we can't find right now because the phone hides it under normal circumstances. So let's make the folder visible by following these steps. For Samsung users, tap on More and tap Show Hidden Files, and the folder becomes visible. But for other devices that use Google Files, go back to this interface. Tap the three dashes at the top left corner. Select Settings, then turn on Show Hidden Files and go to the WhatsApp folder again. If you followed well, you should now see the folder. Open it and you will see all the videos and pictures you have watched on your status within 24 hours. So let me search for the video I just finished watching. Okay, so this is it. So now you can decide to repost the video, or you can copy it to a different location so that it doesn't get deleted after 24 hours. Don't click off yet. Still not sure of subscribing? There are many videos on the channel you can browse through to make the right decision. If you enjoyed this video, giving it a thumbs up will be amazing. And until next time, this is Danzzy Tech World. See you in the next video.